good old boy who loves burning rubber and driving fast.
Good morning, folks. I am on my way to Charlotte. If you're in the Charlotte area tomorrow, 10 to 2, I'll be at RFK with that Rick Ware Parks Plus Topfuel Dragster, hanging out for the open house. I would love for you guys to come by. We may even burn a little nitro. Might be some throttle wax involved. Come see us tomorrow, 10 to 2, RFK. Let's go. Stomp on that loud pedal. Good morning from RFK. This is pretty cool. Obviously, I'm in the Carolinas. There's the boys getting everything out and set up.
Good morning, sir.
This is different.
A little bit.
So give y'all a quick look around. I literally haven't looked around at all either. The flat track team's here. Shayna, Briar, Cody, Kopp will be here. There's the old 51 car.
What's up, brother?
Jesse and Sugar Shay.
Come on, what's going on?
What's up, Sugar Shay?
Oh, Jesse.
So essentially what we're doing today is this is open house. It is Charlotte 600 week. So we are here, which is where Rick's Cup cars are based, is right here at RFK. So what we're doing today, like I say, is here. RFK, Rick's Cup cars are based here. So later today, we'll sign a bunch of autographs and we will also start the old dragster up, make some noise, show these Cup boys what real power's like. Cars coming out. It's a pretty setting around here. Unload a Topfuel car. So Blaine, our what am I looking at in the mirror video is doing really good, but you know what they're asking?
I saw it last night. What they asked?
What are you did not say what you're looking at.
Oh,
They're
well,
still saying that. And I'm thinking to myself, okay, maybe I didn't say I'm looking at the wheels, but I thought neutral was a good indication.
I guess we should have been a little more specific and say we're making sure that the tires are not spinning.
Turning. But 1 minute in, Nikki says, Clay's looking to see if it's moving. But I bet you last night I answered at least 20 comments. What are you looking at? People keep thinking the butterflies, and I'm thinking if the butterflies are moving, everybody knows about that.
Oh yeah. It would take just a tiny bit and it gets loud real fast.
Yes, they'd be trying to jump off the freaking projects.
Yep.
But I am looking at the wheels, people. I am glad you're watching, though. I don't remember that, but whatever. But I am a fan. People lined up already, y'all. This is cool.
Did good.
All right, so I'm over here with this guy, Mr. Mike Skinner. All right, so I'm a truck guy at heart. So I drive one every day. I got a twin turbo truck that I'm always goofing around with. So if I asked you to go make a pass at a drag strip, would you be all good with that?
Oh hell yeah.
Handle that?
Yeah.
Simple, right?
The
No turning.
only problem is I
Hey,
gotta.
hey, wait. Let's just admit something. Who won the drag race at the beginning of our marriage for the side of the bed closest to the bathroom? Just a simple question.
Her reaction time was better. I think she might have greased the guy that was.
No, I'm the drag racer in the family. I won. Lighter and brighter.
She can't even drive her Escalade without hitting anything.
Well, I do hit a lot, but I go straight.
Are you curbing the wheels? That's what I want to know.
I am. I actually, we're up in the mountains. I tried to act like I didn't curb, and we were in one of the Tundra trucks that we had, and I put a big old hole in the wheel, and I called him. I'm like, I think those people that put those wheels on screwed it up, and he was like, oh, he's all mad. He gets there, and he looks like a scientist, and he goes, about a half mile back there is where you went off the road.
That's where you ran off the road.
And I was like, yeah.
Yeah, I might have done that.
That might have caught me, but I do go straight better than him. Just saying.
I don't know. I've seen him come out of the corner a few times.
Yeah, I think he could. We've been watching a lot of drag racing lately.
Have you ever red lighted in your whole career?
Oh, more than I care to admit, especially with him sitting there.
Okay, so I had a bad light. It happened.
All right, here we go. We're fixing to start this autograph session. Got people lined up for as far as I can see. So, y'all ready?
We were born ready, Clay.
Cody, you ready? Shayna, you ready? You ready to go to work?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
Who knows? Hey, Cody, you know, we meet some wild people along the way, and I'm not talking about Derek and Kayla back here.
I don't know, they're pretty
But
crazy though.
there's a guy sneaking up. What up, Mr. 2 of them, 3 of them. Holy surprise! Look!
We made it.
It's Jimmy Dale.
We're racing
Holy
Shady side.
Lord.
We're like, man, let's go see play.
How are you, buddy? Dude,
We
good.
didn't want to say anything. We just wanted to slide on in here.
Old man, what's up,
How you
old
doing?
man? How are you?
Good.
We are literally gonna put Jimmy Dale, Jimmy Dale. Y'all need to know each other.
Nice to meet you.
Plano, Texas.
Oh, yeah. Right up the street.
That's right.
And he,
Was this our yellow belly?
this is our yellow belly guy.
I like it. We were talking about it.
Yeah,
We're going to make it happen.
we are
We
going.
are going to make it happen.
He's going to become a regular, but I told him he can't go unless he goes with you.
Oh, you guys will have a blast.
Yeah, we'll go.
We'll put either one of you guys in the car. No problem.
No, I like watching from the outside.
Oh, yeah.
Jimmo tunes this thing.
Yeah.
You did a great job.
Thank you.
All right, we're going to show Jimmy Dale how to get in a top fuel car. Holy moly, we got Jimmy Dale getting in a top. Well, I'm a little guy.
It's really tight.
Slide your feet on forward, brother.
Hold on, I'm sitting on a buckle. I got a buckle shoved up my ass crack right now. Oh. You're in a top fuel car. You're in a top fuel car, Jimmy Dale. That is wild. This is such a cool experience. Oh, what's going on down here?
All right, so my little sister Lee has been on a mission to get a chain. Come on, come on.
Oh, he got it on.
Yeah.
Got it on, boy. Look at that. Small tire gangsters.
Small tire gangsters right
Yep.
It's pretty cool.
here. Blown.
True Street.
Blown.
True Street.
It's blown.
Blown big block.
It's got 1733s on the back.
We got to put him some small tires on there, right?
I mean, if he goes to one small tire race, he'll be hooked like crack. Then we got a bigger problem.
Well,
We got a bigger problem.
this is for me to cruise around and pretend like I'm somebody.
You're certainly somebody.
It's blown. It makes its presence anyway.
Yeah.
It's got full cage in it. I mean, funny car cage.
It's a freaking.
But you can get it out.
It's what you're. It's kind of what you're hunting. Steel roof and quarters, full,
Still roof recorders.
full
Yeah, now we
cage.
just got to put 28s on it.
Exactly.
I know I got it.
just converted a whole bunch of NASCAR fans into Nitro fans. Speaking of fans. Throttle Whack.
That was pretty cool.
All right, this is going to be bad. So Rick just took the whole RWR team out for a nice lunch-ish kind of thing. And now we are at K1 speed. And I can promise you I'm in trouble. Look at all these roundy round racers here done showed up.
I'm all about
Yeah,
straight down the
me
track.
and you both.
Yeah. Turns are.
I'll be fine coming out of the corner after I get straight.
We don't go right very well.
I get in front of the camera, show them what I can do.
So our plan is all the drag racers are going to get up front and just go real slow so all the rest of them can't get by us. That's the plan. Sure shame. All right, we are underway with heat race qualifying. I honestly don't know, but I can tell you that I was out there. I didn't finish last. I finished 4th in my group, but I did have the fastest average out of 12 laps. This is fun. First experience for electric kart. Jesse was out there just bombing people. Loved it.
I'll tell you what, this is why I don't drive. I was working on it.
Rough group right here, y'all. Cody, I hear a bunch of plastic being hit out there.
They are getting after it right now, that is for sure. Briar Bauman's actually catching up to old Carson Way right now, so we gotta stay tuned to see who comes out on top.
This is getting good.
There you go. All right, here's the numbers.
I wasn't the quickest, but I had that average going.
Yep, you did.
Just means I didn't spin out.
Woo! Drag racer.
Put her on the pole, baby.
Yeah. Woo! I love it.
All right, qualifying my group. #1, baby. Of course, the race will be a whole different deal when everybody's out there, but I'm pretty proud of myself. Out there with some circle track guys, and we're #1. Bam, let's go.
Well, thank you guys for all coming out today. I'm gonna have you hold this for me just for a second there. So we really appreciate you guys coming out. It was just you guys in the building. I will say it was good to see you guys have fun. My staff had fun, so thank you guys again. But I do want to announce our top 3. I don't know if he realized that he was not at that finish line yet, but 3rd place here, round of applause, is Cody.
Cody, which one?
Cody Cope. Cody Cope, where you at, Cody? There it is.
There he is.
All right. Times? All right, you're in 3rd place right there.
Woo!
All right, and then in 1st place is Carson.
Hey, let's see you do a box jump there. Come on, let's see a box jump. Oh! Oh, yeah! Oh. Yeah! All right, we have wrapped up our day, and what a day it was. My first ever NASCAR open house. We put Timmy Dale in a Topfuel car. We did a Nitro Throttle Whack ×3. And then we did a little go-kart racing where I kind of held my own. I mean, I qualified #1 in my group. In the actual race itself, I ended up finishing 4th or 5th. I'm not sure. I did not win, I can tell you that. But what I can tell you is it was a long day. I'm ready to nap out a little bit, get ready for whatever tomorrow holds. And I want to tell you guys, thank you so much for watching, liking, subscribing, sharing. See you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to go check out claymillican.com. Get yourself a shirt. Click that like button. Let's get to 100,000. And I will see you in the next one. Let's go.